Hi guys, it's Thursday night, time for another 3-Minute Thursday. Thank you for joining me. This is VTEC Academy. You're about to get schooled. One of the things we've recently done is we've discontinued the live feed on Tuesday nights. A lot of you probably already know that, some of you may not, but it's not because I don't want to answer your questions. I still do want to answer your questions, so we're going to try doing something a little bit different. Now, this particular 3-Minute Thursday, I've got a couple of questions from viewers I'm going to answer, but what I'd like you to do, if you have a question that you want answered, please email us at askvtecacademy@gmail.com, and we will be happy to get to your question and help you in any way we can. Now remember, these are Honda performance questions. You can also ask about brake setups for Hondas, suspension setups, things like that. I will actually try to go find the people that know more than me if it's something that I'm not sure about. But I think that'll help everybody a little bit more by doing that. So I'd like to invite you to go ahead and send your questions into askvtecacademy@gmail.com. Today, the questions I have is we just recently released this kit. This is the AFK kit. It's for the 84-7 Civics. It works in the sedan, it'll work in the wagon, it'll work in the hatchback, and of course in the CRX, like this car right here. Somebody had asked about transmissions. So initially with this kit, the first iteration of it is set up to run the RSX transmission. So that means it'll fit all the RSX transmissions, whether it's a 5-speeder or a 6-speed, not automatics. And it'll also fit the 03 through 11 Civic Si 6-speed manual transmission. So it's designed to work with all those. Now there will be a new set of brackets and another version of this kit that will come out that will allow you to use the TSX transmission, the 03 to 07 Accord transmission, and then also another kit that will allow you to use the 2nd generation TSX transmission, the 2012 Civic Si transmission, and the 08 through I think 14 Accord manual transmission. So those kits will be coming out sooner rather than later, probably within the next 2 months. And now, another question somebody had, again regarding TSX, they were thinking about running a TSX ECU. Now, that's going to make you have to run a drive-by-wire system if you want to do something like that. The other thing is I don't think right now anybody makes a modification for the drive-by-wire ECU so that you can disable the immobilizer, although and I don't think any of the immobilizer disablers work with that particular transmission right now, so you'd wind up having to add that in as well. The other things you'd have to add to run drive-by-wires, you'd have to run the accelerator pedal position switch. Now that actually comes on the firewall on the TSX or on the Accord. That's what you would use. That would feed the information to the ECU so it could operate the throttle body. And then there's also an electronic throttle control module. Now there's probably also some things you can do if you use an aftermarket ECU, but you're probably talking about adding quite a bit of expense to do something like that. But anyway, again, I would like to thank you guys for joining me on this 3-Minute Thursday. And remember, if you have questions and you'd like them answered, please go ahead and email us at askvtecacademy@gmail.com, and we'll be happy to do that. Please think about liking and subscribing. We're putting out a big push to try to get to 100,000 subscribers. That would be really cool, and we need your help. So thanks for clicking on me.